Market update. So we are waiting for the GPCIGF, kind of the break from this area right here. We had it, and I was waiting for the retest as well. There's a very risky trade on the weekly time frame. We are on the lowest point. This is the one thing that we're anticipating. We're anticipating for it to go up on the upside right here. On the daily time frame, we're really bullish on this move. This makes a lot more sense to buy right here than to sell, honestly. Just because it's the lowest points at first, I didn't see it, but now, like, clearing it up, it looks a lot more visible. On the 4 hour, this looks very nice. I love how it reacted here, and it kind of just exploded up. So this trade honestly might be gone. Right now, I'm just feeling just to stay patient, to remember my rules. Remember, I'm a conservative trader. I don't need to trade every day. It's only Monday. Well, barely Sunday. Yeah, it's my first. Yeah, Monday pretty much. It's 12:52 in the morning right now. Yeah, so it might be gone. Maybe it could retest. I'm just gonna stay patient, wait for my retest, wait for my engulfing, my extra confirmation, so I don't lose a trade. Just staying very, very patient when it comes to trades like this because they're very impulsive. Coming to other trades, EURGBP waiting for the break and retest. The 4 hour needs to close underneath this little support right here. Just because in other times right here it just rejects it and it just goes back to the upside like this, and right here, right here, right here, and right here obviously uses resistance to go down. I already lost a trade right here because doing this, so now I'm just trying to avoid that. So I'm just waiting for a full break, a full retest, and then from there we can go in the lower time frames to look for entry to take the trade. I feel like this one could be ready maybe by New York, but during New York I'm honestly asleep, so I might miss out on this one, but it's okay because I don't need to catch all of them obviously, and I still have GBP CHF. Also on USD CAD, it's the same entry as Euro GBP. It's pretty much the exact same thing. Break and retest, we have to break underneath this little zone right here, and then to retest it, obviously get our our confirmations as well. And for CAD GBY, I'm not that interested in this market. However, I'm just looking at it for the just to see what happens in the week. There's very clean buys right here, but I'm honestly just waiting for it to retrace a lot more. We already kind of got the entry signal right here, but it needs to retrace a little bit more, honestly. So right now, just staying patient, waiting for this to retest, waiting everything else to break and retest. Just staying back. At the moment right now, I'm down 2% from my, what was it called? My demo challenge. I'm risking 2% per trade right now. I'm on a 100K account, and my goal is to get $4,000 this week, 4%, and then block it out. Honestly, might gain more depending if this retests. This trade could easily give me 6%, but I'm not chasing it. I'm just staying patient, not being greedy, because as soon as you start getting greedy, you're done. So this little market update. Yeah, the other markets that I had. Oh, sorry. The other challenges that I had in my previous times, they were blown. I got like really close to passing them. But I blew them just because at the end I just got emotional. I didn't want to stay patient like this. And yeah, so I noticed that I started, I kind of win like 50-50 other trades. I noticed that I lose when I start getting emotional and I get impatient, and I win when I get very patient. But I notice I win, but those wins take very long to come. Say, I think it was July, I took like 3 wins, but they were all like 1-to-1s because they all retraced back to my entry. But I was still up for the month. But then again, my profits really went away when I started letting my stop loss get hit all the way. So I'm just being very patient right now, I'm waiting for that good opportunity. I'm not rushing anything, you know what I mean? My goal for this year is just to get funded. I have, what is that? 4 months left? Yeah, 4 months left-ish. So yeah, I'm just waiting for this retest to the upside, and then yeah, we'll see what happens. Check back in around 2 a.m. when the 4 hour closure happens. Trade update. Nothing really happened overnight. It was pretty much just stalling over here, the top side right here. I noticed it going down here. My alarm got hit like around right there-ish, but nothing really happened, honestly. I think the trade is probably going to be gone by now just because I had the retracement and it's having the reaction off of the area of interest, like the breaking retest. I could probably go for Asia session, but if retraces back, I'll be interested. But I probably pass by, honestly. The other markets, this one hasn't broken. Retested. The USD CAD completely fell apart down. CAD GPY is gone as well. So all the moves are happening already, but it's just not in session. So that's the only problem right now. I'm not feeling anything. I'm just being patient. Again, not trying to rush into anything as well, you know. Back then, maybe me, I would have taken this trade like at 10 a.m. You know, that's like super late into the session. I would have been up by now, but you know, that would break my rules. So I gotta stay consistent and I gotta stay patient. So update, see what happens later tonight, and then well, yeah, let's see what happens. Confirmation. I'm waiting for the 4-hour closure. I did retest my area, and I'm just waiting for a confirmation to enter the trade. It's currently 8:23 p.m. and I might take a pre-London trade right now. It is Monday, September 5th, 15th. Taking 2% on this trade, and yeah, kind of 10 trade. It's almost there, and right now I'm just kind of confused about the entry because it did come back, and the 15 minutes kind of it's kind of messy. So I might take the 30-minute engulfing. Obviously I'm not gonna take it right now because it's off session, but just being very patient because I'm just consolidating for a little bit. It's not really moving too much, like I said before. So yeah, that's my thoughts right now. So just being patient. I'll check up around 12, and then let's see what happens. Bro, this is Take Profit. Woo! Yeah, a lot of emotions. A lot of them. I'm gonna just stay patient, let it do its thing, because this can just or it can yeah, either or. But as it's looking better than before, but yeah, I was like, what is that, like 3 pips away from my stop loss, but yeah, not looking that bad. Not looking that bad. My entry was like pretty good too, but yeah. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. If this looks up, we're cooked. If it keeps like this and it keeps going down, we are good. So when I keep holding, we are good. We almost got stopped out, almost, but we're good. And yeah, we'll see how this candle closes out. I think there's news right now. Yeah, there should be. I don't know why there's so much momentum right now anyways, but yeah, trade update. I'm feeling very I'm not just emotional. I'm just like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like a wow factor, you know? Yeah. Market update. We did not get to our take profit. We hit take profit. We didn't. We hit sub loss. Weekend just came, and the price just fully reversed. So I kind of just got out before Friday came along.